It's June 17th, 2022. We're on the real time. Just coming out of Mobile Bay. Slowing down for some construction boats up here. We got Tony with us. Let's go get some fish. We got the ballyhoo salting down. We're gonna trade them out for some marlin or wahoo or mahi-mahi or something. Tuna. But look how slick it is. We got the rods ready. Good times on real time. Plan one on this shakedown trip is to get some bait. Triple rig off Dolphin Island. Tony, are you the masturbator?
I'm the masturbator.
It's about 7 o'clock. We finally pulling up near the Beer Can. Got our dive boat ready. Here we got the big shark catcher. And Doug ain't helping you. He's pulling away. Big shark. Oh, you okay? Did he come out?
All right, we got him.
Oh, Petronius. We blackfinning it. At Petronius. Tallest freestanding rig in the world. 23 Petronius. 2,300 feet. All the way to the bottom. Came off. Dang it. All right, we got Tony hooked up. Whoa, that's a head nog on that one. Look at the head nog. Woo, buddy. That's a good sign. Double hookup.
Another shark, ain't it?
Is it? Damn it. Dang shark again. Masturbator, master sharker. Big old shark. You don't fool around, Tony. Trying to get that hook. Dang, I thought I had it. Well, sunrise the next day, and sharks got 2 and we got 0. We could have only went diving, we'd have had some fish in the boat. No doubt about it, right, Tony?
That's exactly right.
Finally! Well, that was short-lived. Got right off as soon as we tried to pick it up and get him. All right, Dave, we got your snapper. It only takes one. Yeehaw! We got one.